If you're a content creator, you may have noticed that your words have so much power to provoke a wide range of emotions in your readers. That's simply amazing, as you can teach, entertain, educate, influence, and so much more. However, in order for your content to reach as many people as possible, you need to spend time thinking about how you've managed the SEO requirements of your posts, as you might encounter some post-SEO issues on WordPress, such as long and neglected URLs, lack of SEO keywords or descriptions, or even inadequate SEO titles. That's why we want to show you how to quickly fix your SEO errors with WP Sheet Editor. This plugin helps you manage your site and make lots of changes to your posts in a few clicks. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to see our written guide. Now let's go ahead and fix the SEO errors. First, let's optimize the SEO of our URLs, keywords, descriptions, and titles. To do this, just go to each column and start changing the information in the cells for each post. When you're done, just hit save, and all the changes will be saved. It is a great advantage that you don't have to open post by post to make all these changes. It is important to note that with the bulk edit tool of the plugin, you can apply the changes to thousands of posts. But we know that each post has its own SEO requirements. That's why we show you how to edit them individually in the spreadsheet. If you use an SEO tool like Screaming Frog or Moz, you may have the SEO corrections you want to apply to your WordPress site in a CSV file like this one. So we'll show you how you can easily import it. To do this, we'll download the document, as we were modifying it in Google Sheets, but if you have it in Excel, just save the changes. Once you open the post spreadsheet, you'll need to open the import tool. After opening the import tool, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to update the existing items, and ignore new items. Then you will be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered into the correct product. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. Then click on Next. Finally, click here and your import process will start. As you saw, it's really simple to fix SEO errors with the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember that in the video description you'll find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.